you see that right behind me? That's actual sunlight. I could not be more happy. That keeps it up for a while, and if the sun starts melting some of this ice off my tent, I'm thinking today I'm gonna pack up and get out of here, because it's meant to rain a little bit later, and with rain I bet it's gonna snow, so that's not cool with me. I just got over a snowstorm, but already this snow's starting to melt, so I'm thinking after breakfast, if that sun keeps it up, I'm gonna try to wipe off everything, get it as dry as I can, you know, and pack it up, because I do not want to be here anymore. I want to get to Lake Powell. So, but Trevor is here. If you guys saw him last video, he's right there. It's the back end of his Jeep. But yeah, so he's here. So I'm gonna hang out today with him. But later on in the day, I might take off. So, or sleep somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see what goes on during the day. But we're gonna start with breakfast. Well, I'm actually so glad that Trevor did decide to come, because I think we're going to have some percolator coffee today. I kept my coffee in it from yesterday, pulled the thing out, it was frozen, and it actually cracked my French press, so I need a new French press. Probably going to get a different one this time. This is the second one to break on me. Not because of cold weather, but they just break because they're glass. I'm going to see if I can get like a plastic one or a metal one or something like that. Yeah. So, I know Trevor's going to say something about that one at the coffee shop the other day in Pagosa. Watch.
Pagosa on your way out, get that metal one.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
On my head last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the condensation would freeze above me, and then I turned the heater on, it would all melt. And like, it's like a rainforest in there. So I think I am actually going to be able to get out here. The sunshine is shining right on it. It's actually drying the tent, which is awesome. That was my biggest concern of folding it up, but I am going to move the trailer out of the way, because that tree right over there where it's dropping a bunch of snow on it, and it's kind of just contradicting everything. So I'm packing up everything right now, and we're going to move the whole trailer back, probably like over here in this open area on the road, so that it dries and we can actually fold it up. lockers are for. You're over here two-wheel drive, just one in the front, one in the rear. Oh, you did? Is that you did? Wasn't it four-wheel drive? You were in four-wheel drive, right? I wasn't paying attention enough to know. Right now.
Maybe you did, but either way, it's so slippery. You're just sliding around.
Yeah.
That's what Brody's over here, and you're just sliding, and I'm like, Brody, move.
So I actually don't know if I do or not because I never took the front diff off.
Here's your camera.
Thank you.
I was kind of focusing more on mine, so I don't know how much of a shot I got for you.
That's okay. Nice. we're leaving right now. Even though Trevor turned it off, we're taking off right now, heading to the coffee shop. So all packed up. She's as dry as she's gonna get. So once I hit the Moab, I'm gonna open her up for a couple days and let her dry out real good. Stay there, bud. I'll see you guys at the coffee shop when we're sitting down. Got a few things to do there. All right, me and Trevor just got done at the coffee shop. He's right there in his Jeep. We're actually gonna go to a burger joint here in town and grab a burger, and then I'm heading out to Glenwood Springs after this. So yeah, so let's go get a burger because I'm freaking starving. It's going on 2 o'clock. We haven't ate since like 8 this morning, so I'm starving. So I'll see you guys at the burger place.
Is the XJ flexing on it?
I just left the restaurant. I brought my other camera, but the battery's no good on it anymore. A lot of my electronic stuff's really breaking lately, so yeah, but at least it's not broke, I can change a battery. But this is Trevor right there. I'm leaving him today. He came out last night, you guys saw that. But yeah, I'm heading out my way. He's staying around this area for a while, and we'll probably meet up again in the future. But it's nice to see you again, buddy. Yeah, so stop following me now.
Okay.
Okay, well, later.
Bye, Sean.
Laters.
See you when we run into Bruce.
Yeah, for sure. Now Brody's ready to go. Let me roll down the window. You can say goodbye to bro.
Bye, Brody. I'll see you later when we're in Utah.
His butt shaking.
I don't have any treats for you. I already gave you turkey this morning.
You got so much treats this morning.
Yeah.
All right. Well, just leaving Trevor right now. You can probably see his Jeep maybe like right there somewhere. But it's 3:30 right now. I've got about a 4-hour drive to go, and I'll probably grab dinner on the way. So should be fun, guys. Not excited for this long drive. I might camp somewhere in between, but we'll see. I gotta get gas, so gas station and driving. Cheapest gas I've seen anywhere around here, so decided to fill up the 2 cans. Let's hit the road.